To adjust text messages tone on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the Messages application. From here, press on your account on the top right corner and go for the Messages settings. From here, you'd like to go for the Notifications and scroll down and you will find this default settings and incoming messages. So tap on this incoming messages and from here simply go for the sound. And right here you'd like to select the pre-installed ringtones, and from here you are able to select any of these sounds which are available. I recommend you to select from the notifications sounds, so these are like 1 second or 2 second sounds right here for the notifications, because the rest of them are like pretty long sounds. So yeah, from here simply tap on any sound to have the preview of how it sounds like, and after that simply press apply to any sound that you like to select. Then press OK, and here we have the sound crystal for incoming messages, and that's how you can do this.